In this video, I'm going to show you how easy you format the SD card that you have inserted here at the back of your DJI Mini 3 Pro. The first thing we need to do that is to start out the drone. So I'm going to take off my little propeller holders and we're going to start out the drone. And of course, we need to make sure that the SD card we would like to format is inserted at the back of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. And it's also a good idea to always format the SD card if you buy a new one, just it's adapted to the device you're going to use it with. Next thing, after we've started up the drone, then we're going to take the remote and we're going to tap these three dots at the top. Then we get into the menu of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Then we go to camera setting. We scroll down until we get to SD card. And here I can select SD card or the internal storage. I'm going to tap the SD card and then I can tap format at the top right. And here I can select if I would like to format the SD card or the internal storage. In my case, I would like to format the SD card and then select the SD card, tap format, and that's all you have to do to format the SD card of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The next thing you're going to do though, that is to watch that video because that is the video YouTube recommended to watch next. So see you in that fun. Bye.